Kaylee. Louise.
Oh, well done, Kaylee. I think that was definitely your best performance so far. What I noticed and what I'd like you to really work on is, as you're hitting those higher notes, really open your mouth and open your sound a bit, because at the minute it's like far, like you've got your tongue up at the back, which you might not notice, but if you work on getting that down and have more of a falling again, it'll be a much cleaner, nicer sound, and it'll give you a lot more power behind it as well. Give the note space to resonate. But I think it was a nice clean vocal. I think it was a bit low for you in the beginning. I think you could have either taken the verses up a little bit or just taken the whole song up, like even just a semitone, and it would have set a lot nicer in your voice. But overall, I think it was a lovely performance and definitely your best yet. So keep going, keep working hard, and keep improving week by week. Well done.
Kelly?
I loved that performance, Kaylee. I absolutely love your voice anyway. It was nice to see you stepping away from the typical diva songs and doing something quite stripped back, something more modern. It just really showed off your voice. You added in a couple of riffs in there which were really beautiful. And I think it really showed that you've got so much more potential. There's room for you to grow so much more in this competition.
Kaylee, do you know what? This was 100% a step up. I do believe that this was the best I've seen of you so far this season. I do think you could have taken up a little bit more, but it didn't kill the song or anything. It still sounded stunning, especially when you went into them choruses and that belt at the end. I really loved that. I think the only thing you need to do now with these videos online is just, like I said last week, that personality. I want to see more of that. Maybe if you face more towards the front for the starters, you know, so that would be a good start in terms of what we're watching, because even though it's like I'm listening to some of them notes, I'm like, wow, your control is just absolutely on point. But I want to see that presentation and that performance. I want you to draw me in, you know. So just take that on board from here on out. Other than that, best performance so far this season. Well done.